Welcome children to our maths lecture where we are learning lesson number 13 in maths, that is Pythagoras theorem. As explained yesterday, Pythagoras theorem is related to right angled triangle. Yesterday I have explained you the theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Now we have started practice set 48, in which practice set 48 first question 3 sums were there. One I had done on the board, 2 and 3 I gave you as homework. So first I will tell the answers of 2 and 3, sum number 2 and 3. Check the answer. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Hence, side PR is the hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, length PR square is equal to length PQ square plus length QR square. After calculation, you get X as 40. 40. This was the second one. Third sum. In triangle EDF, angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Side EF is the hypotenuse, and so according to Pythagoras theorem, length EF square is equal to length ED square plus length DF square. After the calculation and substitution, you get X is equal to 15. Now practice set 48, sum number second. This was first sum. In first sum there were 3 other sub questions. Now second sum, all of you can see in your textbook, practice at 48. Question number 2. In the right angled triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degrees, length PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, and length PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the length of segment QR. Now as per given instruction, we will first draw the right angle triangle. Suppose here is our right angle. So in the question it is given P is 90 degrees. So I will write P here. Then they have given you PQ as 24 degrees. So I will take PQ here as 24 centimeter. Sorry, not degrees, centimeter. And length PR as 10 centimeter. So PR 10 centimeter. You have to find out segment QR. Now as per the figure, angle P is 90 degrees, means the side opposite to P is side RQ, which we can say which is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So we have to find out the hypotenuse. So we will write answer second one. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Segment QR is hypotenuse. Okay. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagorean theorem state? It states hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So as per this, our hypotenuse is length QR. Length QR the whole square is equal to base PQ. Length PQ the whole square plus height is length PR. Length PR the whole square. As per our figure, PQ is 24. So here it becomes 24 square plus PR is 10 square. Right? So 24 square will give us 576 plus 10 square gives us 100, which equals 676. So therefore length QR is equal to, or QR square is equal to 676 is square of 26. It is the square of 26. So I can write length QR square is equal to 26 square, or I can write length QR is equal to 26 centimeter. So length of QR comes to as 26 centimeter. That is the hypotenuse of the triangle is 26 centimeter. So take down the sum. This is the second sum of practice set 48. Okay, second sum is over. Now children, sum number 3. See sum number 3 question. In the right angle triangle LMN, M is equal to 90 degrees if length LM is equal to 12 centimeter and LN is equal to 20 centimeter. Find the length of segment MN. So let us draw right angle triangle first. I'll rub the answer. Okay. So as per the given instructions, our measure angle M is 90 degrees. So I'll write M here, 90 degrees. Then LM is 12 centimeters. So I'll write L here, 12 centimeter. Then they have given us LN. So I'll mention N here, and LN is 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter, you have to find the base. So as per the question given, we'll write in triangle LMN, angle M equals 90 degrees, segment LN is hypotenuse. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, it states hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Therefore, length ln square is equal to length mn square plus length lm square. So, in this children we know ln is 20. So, here we will substitute 20 square equals. We do not know mn. So, I will write as mn as it is. Plus Lm is known, that is 12, so 12 centimeter, right? So therefore you get 20 square as 400. 20 square is 400 equals length Mn square plus 144. 12 square is 144. So therefore length Mn square is equal to 400 minus 144. 400 minus 144 gives you 256. Therefore, length Mn square can also be written as 16 square, because 16 square is 256. Therefore, length Mn comes to be 16 centimeter. It is 16 centimeter. Mn comes to be 16 centimeter. Okay. So last sum, that is fourth sum, I will do now. I think you have taken down the sum. Here only subtraction you have to do, because here hypotenuse is known. Okay. So let us move on for the fourth sum. I'll read question for you first. The top of a ladder of length 15 meter reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. What is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? So for that, first I'll show the triangle representation to you. Okay. I'll rub this sum. Last sum it is, children. Fourth sum of this practice set, which is an important one again. I'll explain you the sum first. Suppose, children, I have drawn this triangle, right angle triangle. Here is the 90 degrees. I have given it name as ABC. In this ABC, this is the ladder. Here is the ladder. This is the ladder, which is whose height is 15 meter, and at the point A there is window. At the point A there is window. Wall is side AB. This is the wall, and the length of the wall is 9 meter above the ground. This is the ground, children. BC is the ground. Now this is the base of the wall. Base of wall. Whereas C is base of ladder. It is the base of ladder. So this is the figure representation. You have to find the base distance between BC, that is the base of the right angle triangle. So first we will write down the things which are given in the question, children. Fourth sum, the wall and the ground, you can write along with me. The wall and ground are perpendicular to each other. So ladder against the wall forms a right angled triangle. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees according to Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So as per our figure, we get length AC square is equal to length BC square plus length AB square. Okay. So we do AC, we know, children, AC is 15 meter. So it becomes 15 square. BC we don't know, children. So length BC square plus AB is 9 meter. So 9 square. This gives us answer 225. 15 square is 225 is equal to length BC square plus 18. Therefore, length BC square is equal to 225 minus 18. It becomes 225 minus 18 gives you answer as 144. Therefore, length 9 square. 9 square is 81, sorry. Not 18. Extremely sorry. 9 square comes to be 81. And so 225 minus 81. gives you 144, and length BC square we can write as 12 square, because 12 square is 144. Therefore, last point I will write here, length BC equals 12 meter. That means the distance between the base of wall and base of ladder, that is ground, comes to be 12 meter. Here 9 square is 81 and 225 minus 81 gives you 144. So by this fourth sum is completed, children. You can take down, very easy it is, and learn at home. Next lecture will begin with the next practice set. Thank you.